My friend sent me this picture of two beautiful children, and I thought, let's make an ornament for them. So I brought them into the CNC. Then I found a piece of wood. I like to use a 1/4 inch thick, so I took this piece of nice hard maple and was going to repurpose it. Don't know what happened here, but we resaw it. The video got a little bouncy. So then we run it through the planer, and life is good. Now we use double-face tape to mount it to the CNC. Then we use the CNC router, which we program, to engrave their picture into this wood. This takes about 15 minutes, but I've sped it up. Uses a very nice, fine router bit, and it moves over 15 thousandths each pass. So like I said, it takes 15 minutes. Then I decided to cut 3 of them. Now the magic's going to happen. So you put the stain on and let it dry overnight. There you can see how it looks. Like I said, I made 3 of them, just for different members of the family. Look at those beautiful children. Now, this is when the magic really happens. It's dried overnight, and you start sanding away, and you get the highlights, the white versus the original brown stain. As you keep sanding, you get more and more detail revealed. How far you go? Well, it's a matter of preference. I like to keep going. Then finish up the background a little bit. And these are looking really, really good. There's 3 of them. They're gorgeous, beautiful children. I hope they enjoy it. Add a little wax, just to give a little more durability. And these are going to be great. You can hang them on a Christmas tree or just put them on your desk. I like to put ornament hangers on them, little hook eyes. So drill a little hole in all 3. Then I use the little hook eye. One little cheat is you slide it all through and you turn it. It makes it much easier on your fingers. But beautiful children, I hope they enjoy these. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell. I appreciate you watching the Johnsonville Woodworker.